Tired of dull, uninspired video quality? Welcome to our review of the LED Studio Light Kit, the solution for professional lighting on a budget. If you're a vlogger, streamer, or content creator, you know that great lighting is key to engaging your audience. But professional gear can be expensive. This kit is designed for anyone needing high-quality professional lighting without breaking the bank. Let us introduce you to the versatile LED Studio Light Kit with adjustable tripods. It's your new go-to for all lighting needs. This light kit gives you total control over color temperature and brightness, adapting to any shooting scenario you face. You get 3 essential color temperatures, a warm 280OK, a balanced 480OK, and a cool daylight 650OK. Switch instantly to set the perfect mood. Adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% using the included remote, giving you precise control without ever leaving your spot. Featuring 356 high-quality LED beads with an impressive CRI of 97+, you are guaranteed accurate color rendering for professional-looking photos and videos every time. The design of these panels focuses on portability and convenience, especially when it comes to powering them up. The 10 by 7.8-inch LED light panels are compact and portable, featuring a soft diffusion design for smooth, flattering lighting. Powering is simple and flexible using USB-C adapters. Connect to wall chargers, power banks, laptops, or even cell phones for ultimate versatility on the go. Beyond the lights themselves, the adjustable tripod stands offer incredible flexibility for creative setups. These durable aluminum tripod stands are height adjustable, extending up to 60 inches for standing shots, and folding down compactly to just 17 inches for easy travel. The light panel can be rotated 180 degrees and easily attached or detached from the tripod using the 1/4-inch threads, perfect for portrait, low angle, or overhead shots. The LED Studio Light Kit is designed to excel in many different content creation scenarios. Use it for photo studio setups, video recording, live streaming, vlogging, YouTube podcasts, and stunning portrait photography. The lightweight and durable design ensures easy mobility, so you can take professional lighting quality with you anywhere. In conclusion, this LED Studio Light Kit is an incredible value for the professional quality it delivers. The package includes 2 LED light panels, adjustable tripod stands, USB-C adapters, a storage bag, and a user manual. And remember, dedicated customer service is available for any issues you might encounter. Ready to upgrade your content? Check the product link in the description to learn more, or purchase your LED Studio Light Kit on Amazon today.